Today, I'm putting ginger tea to the test to see if it really can reduce nausea and blood sugar levels naturally. Let's find out if this home remedy lives up to the hype. Did you know that ginger has been used as a powerful medicine for over 5,000 years? This ancient root has been revered not just in one culture, but across civilizations from the Chinese to the Romans for its healing properties. And remember, make sure to stick around for a game-changing tip at the end that you won't want to miss. Millions of people across the globe grapple with the unsettling waves of nausea and the complexities of blood sugar management every day. Picture this. You're on an airplane, the world tilting and jostling around you. Suddenly, your comfort zone vanishes. This is a reality for countless individuals who endure motion sickness on commutes and journeys. Similarly, expectant mothers often find themselves navigating a minefield of morning sickness. A daily trial no anti-nausea pill seems to alleviate completely. Now, let's turn the spotlight on blood sugar, an issue that reverberates through societies worldwide. Individuals with erratic blood sugar levels frequently find themselves trapped in a cycle of fatigue, irritability, and hunger pangs often masked by sugary solutions. According to the International Federation for Diabetes, millions face blood sugar irregularities that compromise their quality of life, predisposing them to more significant health concerns if left unchecked. The typical arsenal against these everyday challenges includes an array of medications and sugary treats. Retail store shelves brim with colorful boxes of anti-nausea tablets, many of which might offer relief, but often come with a slew of side effects. And when blood sugar dips, the immediate response is often reaching for high-sugar snacks or caffeinated beverages, which may provide temporary respite, but have long-term consequences on health and wellness. Herein lies the challenge. Can we find a natural, scientifically backed alternative that addresses these issues without the side effects? Enter ginger, a humble root with remarkable potential. Unlike conventional treatments, ginger provides an accessible, holistic avenue for relief. Its appeal lies in its availability, ease of use, and the growing body of evidence supporting its benefits. For those seeking to navigate these common challenges distinctively and naturally, ginger tea could be the ideal ally. But before we dive deep, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's journey into the heart of what makes ginger such a powerful ally in tackling nausea and stabilizing blood sugar levels. To unravel these benefits, we need to understand the biology of ginger. At its core, ginger harbors potent compounds called gingerols and shogols. These constituents are key. They are endowed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that successfully combat nausea and exert significant influence on blood glucose mechanisms within the body. Researchers worldwide have clamored to explore ginger's potential, resulting in compelling findings. A notable study published in the journal Phytochemistry reveals how these bioactive compounds alter gastric motility patterns, effectively mitigating elements like nausea and morning sickness without adverse side effects, typical in pharmaceuticals. Clinical trials demonstrate ginger's effectiveness, showing a consistent reduction in nausea for motion sickness sufferers and chemotherapy patients alike. The science doesn't stop there. Concerning blood sugar regulation, a study highlighted in Diabetes Care measured ginger's impact on type 2 diabetes, with participants observing marked reductions in blood sugar levels and improved insulin sensitivity. Researchers found that ginger stimulates enzymes to enhance glucose uptake into muscle cells, thereby improving overall metabolic profiles. These aren't just numbers on a research paper, but transformative insights that can reshape how we approach blood sugar issues holistically. In addition to these studies, let's delve into a medley of personal testimonials coming from ginger tea aficionados who enthusiastically vouch for its efficacy. For instance, Jamie, a regular contributor to our community, shared her experience of no longer grimacing at the thought of turbulent flights. Her secret? Swapping over-the-counter pills for a freshly brewed cup of ginger tea. Similarly, Tom, a teacher juggling the demands of daily stress and dietary limitations, credits ginger tea for stabilizing his energy fluctuations and reducing his reliance on sugary snacks. It's important to approach ginger with a sense of scholarship and curiosity. Over generations, different cultures have revered ginger's efficacy, infusing it into the core of traditional medicinal practices, from Indian Ayurveda to traditional Chinese medicine. This remarkable interconnectedness across cultures isn't coincidental, but testimonial to its enduring impact. Lastly, it's worth noting the versatility and simplicity of ginger tea as a daily ritual. From freshly grated turmeric and lemon concoctions to cinnamon-infused brews, the variations allow you to personalize this healing tonic according to your taste preferences. Each cup not only makes your taste buds sing, but also infuses you with health-imbuing properties respected in both anecdotal and scholarly accounts. With such vibrant science confirming its potential, ginger emerges not as just another health fad, but as a beacon of natural remedy offering effective assistance for those chronic struggles with nausea and blood sugar variability. Ginger tea, easy to make and integrate into your lifestyle, ensures happiness in the form of health safety and holistic well-being. At this point, you might be wondering, does ginger tea really deliver on its promises, or is it just a well-marketed myth? Given how significant the claims around ginger appear, it makes sense to seek irrefutable evidence. This brings us to a poignant and touching story that beautifully illustrates ginger tea's profound impact on life quality. Meet Kate, an amiable school nurse residing in Minnesota. Life, as she describes it, used to be shadowed by constant bouts of debilitating nausea. Despite her medical knowledge and access to prescription medications, her journey navigating congested trains and lengthy commutes became a daily trial. Navigating these discomforts sucked the joy out of traveling, until the day she discovered ginger tea. Introduced to the magic of ginger tea during a community mindfulness retreat, Kate began incorporating a simple routine, sipping ginger tea before leaving for work each day. Within the first week, Kate was ecstatic, reporting a newfound sense of calmness cruising through bustling train stations. The ginger-managed nausea opened up parts of her world she felt constrained by, animating her with an energy she'd long forgotten. But the journey didn't end there. Kate, observing her success and ardent about holistic wellness, dug deeper. Encompassed by a supportive group advocating natural wellness solutions, she decided to explore ginger's potential in blood sugar management, as she had been experiencing energy crashes frequently. Introducing this into her routine, Kate experienced a newfound stability, a sustained vitality propelling through her days. These nearly miraculous shifts in her problem states prompt us to trust the historical reverence of ginger, validated by modern research and personal testimonies. Ginger was Kate's graceful course of melding traditional wisdom with modern wellness pursuits. Kate's holistic transformation uncannily echoes Einstein's belief: look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Stories like Kate's, dotted across the landscape of alternative health communities, lend credence to ginger tea's revered efficacy. It shares an everyday narrative marked by simplicity and transformative empowerment that you, our viewer, can easily recreate within your life. Sharing experience is a thread connecting stories, empowering more individuals to transcend these momentary discomforts naturally. Full integration comes with embracing natural abundance, leading to revelations and renewed affinities conceived gently in the cradle of well-being. Chin-warming cups of aromatic ginger tea. To wrap up, ginger tea isn't just a delicious beverage. It's a potent elixir with notable benefits for nausea and blood sugar. By easing these common issues naturally, it encourages us to think differently about health routines. Its ease of use makes ginger tea the perfect addition to your daily wellness arsenal. We're excited for you to explore these benefits yourself. What has your experience been with ginger tea? We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. If you're as excited about herbal remedies as we are, make sure to subscribe and check out our next video on hidden herbal health tips. Till next time, keep sipping those natural benefits and take care.